Hello everyone. So today we will be doing engagement zone. So engagement zone configurations is the first part which we are going to be going ahead and filling the details. That would be my engagement engagement zone. Here it is. I'm going to copy put the title. My hotspot color I would choose to be white. I believe in white piece. And my background image would be I'm going to go into downloads and I'm going to click this image, get this uploaded out here. I'm going to put in the coordinates which I want for my hotspot area. That's going to be 133 225 10 and again 10. So you can see transition video. Yes, so you can put in the color, you can put in the skip text, but here right now you can't put in the transition videos because transition videos and the background image can be uploaded one by one only. It cannot be uploaded. I'm going to take this as a yellow color. It can be okay. Now I have not, if you notice how I have not added transition video, I'm going to save this now. Once I've saved it, now can you see? Now I'll go ahead and add a transition video out here. That will be my video which would be playing on a loop for transition, and that would be my exhibition. That would be my engagement video. I'm going to save this now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to preview the page. So live, that's the main thing. You got to do the live now. I'm going to log into the page. Once I am onto the page, here can you see engagement? I'm going to go into engagement area. This is my engagement page which I have uploaded. Now I'm going to add on to this engagement area. I'm going to add hotspot to my games. Again, what are these games? These are the inbuilt games which are there onto the platform for entertainment. Isn't that great? So firstly, I'm going to put a hotspot which would be white color. It would be saying photo booth, and I'm going to insert in my coordinates to the photo booth. That is 945 450 by 15 by 15, and I'm not I you can add up a transaction video as I did earlier, but I don't want to add up a transaction video out here. Now I'm going to enable again, choose, I'm going to add up all the games for you guys so that you see everything, whatever game is presently there onto the platform which you are going to be getting. So I'm going to again add one more hotspot. I mean by hotspot, a new game. So it's isn't that amazing that I'm adding so many games onto the same platform and it is there by default. So it's 1 2 4 2 3 4 2. It's the same way you get the coordinates. Go to pane, select the coordinates y, x and y, and then you get the hotspot coordinates. For hotspot you don't need the area. Again, I'm going to add a different game, gravity. The name is gravity. I'm going to add up the coordinates 350 by 15 by 15. I don't want to make it awkward by adding a different width and height to the coordinates. I want it all similar. So it's on a proper it's on a proper scale basically. So rock paper scissors. So we call it on the platform rock paper scissors. Now I'm going to add this coordinate. Now I'll go ahead show you guys. I'm going to preview it again. I'm going to log in. Go to the engagement area. Here are the games. If you open it, yes, it's going to open all in a new tab. All the games which are opening onto the new tab. Santa. You have rock, paper, scissors. So we have 4 games which I have added right now. This is my photo booth. Okay. I have not configured the photo booth. Can you see? Now I'm going to configure my photo booth. Now the next part is to configure my photo booth. Okay. Is photo booth configurations. I'm going to upload photo booth background. Oh my god, that's going to be a task for me. But yes, what background which I want. I'm looking for a good background. So I'm going to take the same background as if it is in the engagement area, and this is going to be using landscape. Okay, I'm going to be using landscape. I'm going to be putting all the three images. Now I'm going to be going ahead and I will be installing this photo booth color. I'm going to be taking black. I'm going to be taking white. I'm going to be taking black. I'm going to be taking white. Taking black, and I'm going to be taking white. It's a good combination altogether. I'm going to be saving this. So now talking about resources. Resources are agenda. It can be a YouTube link, anything. You can go ahead, add on to your engagement area if you want to. If it be a kids event, you can go ahead, put it on a engagement area, play a movie online, and they will be able to see it. Engagement area, you see, with the transition video. So here is the photo booth. I've uploaded the photo booth, and all my photo booths are here. Actually, I don't have a camera right now onto my computer, so it's not showing me the camera. If I would be taking it, I will be using a third party camera. It can be used done, whereas it just uses webcam. So now talking about the resource configurations on this. Let's add up a resource. Okay, I'm going to be configuring in this. Enable color white. Sponsor image. Do I have a sponsor image? Yes, I can use a sponsor image, which can be anything. I'm just using this as a sponsor image. I'm going to be making it agenda. I'm going to be putting this would be of 15 again 15. I'll save this. This is my configuration for resource saved. Now what resource I want to add? Surely I'll just show you. I'm going to upload a resource. Okay, out here. Name would be agenda again. Internal file, it's going to be a small file. It can be a image, it can be anything. So right now, as of now, I'll just update it in an image. Okay, my photo would have an image in spite of having a random or agenda. So I'll just add up image. Okay, and it's going to be named agenda. You can even put in YouTube link. Why not YouTube link? I'll surely show you how we can do the YouTube link too, because I'll go ahead, add one more resource. I'm going to go on to YouTube. Okay. As I was talking about kids events, let's go ahead and get a kids cartoon. Just imagine if it is a kid event. So I'm going to get this link, pick this link. I'm going to YouTube. I'm going to paste it, put it in agenda itself, and it's going to be video for kids. Okay. I'm going to save this. I'm going to do a live now. Once I do a live now, what's going to happen? It's going to be reflecting out here, so I'm going to have to preview it again. I've done live now. I'm going to preview it. Once I preview it, I'll go ahead logging in here. Once I do the login, I go to the exhibit engagement zone. Once I'm on to the engagement zone, I'm going to skip this video, the transition video. And here, can you see this agenda is here? Now I'm going to click agenda. If you want to see the agenda looks. I've just added the image and the video. If you want to play it for a kid, yes, it is there for you. And the video is okay, so you can see the video is playing. So it can be engagement for a kid also. It's Now talking about the rotating image, as we have seen earlier, rotating image is the images which has to be uploaded and it rotates, it changes. So I'm going to make it rotating one. I'm going to be using this as a text rotating speed. Let's do it for second this time. Now how do I want it and where do I want it? I'll put it on 666. 5. I'm going to save this. I'm going to add up a rotating image. Once I add up a rotating image, I'm going to add up again a Plato's image. So I'm going to be adding this image. Now I'm going to be adding one more image. So I'm going to make it live now. I'm going to again previewing. I'll have to preview the website after I have made it live now. Live now is basically to reflect it onto your front end. Again, I would repeat that. There is a very important role on live now. If you don't click live now and don't clear the cache files, the history, you might not see the change onto your platform because you're continuously working. Can you see this image is here and it's rotating, it's changing. That's the rotating image. The similar way you can add up a sponsor image onto here. You can sponsor logo. Okay, it can be a PNG, it can be a JPEG, it can be anything. So let's put it as SPON sponsor. So a sponsor. Now I'm going to be adding an image. Let's make this image engagement zone. Okay, I'm going to add this image in. It shows this. I've added this sponsor. After I've added this sponsor, I will go ahead quickly refresh my page, close this, preview the website, log in again, and yes, I would be there onto the lobby, and I would be going from here to the engagement zone, and the engagement zone is going to take me inside. Once I click on it, I'm going to skip the video. Once I've skipped the video, here I have the sponsor. Can you see it's a bit bigger and it's not that clear because I've just used a random file. which I had, and I've used the random coordinates. So this is the sponsor logo. Thank you so much. This is all which we have in engagement zone. Thank you.